When it is mild acne, it is basically blackheads and whiteheads. You don't have many pustules, and this can be managed with a face wash as well as topical creams like a topical retinoid, salicylic acid, niacinamide serums. This can be managed very well. If you have moderate acne, which is the second level of acne, you may have something like a papule, which is a red color bump, or a pustule, which is something slightly more than your blackheads and whiteheads. You could also be having a combination of blackheads and whiteheads in association with. In this type of acne, in addition to the creams which I just discussed, the doctor will have to step it up and give you some oral antibiotics like tetracyclines, for example. They may also recommend some vitamins like zinc-based vitamins to help your skin to stay clear. They may also at this point recommend something called a chemical peel, which is a treatment to exfoliate the outer layer of the skin. They may add on procedures like an extraction where they are able to remove the blackheads and the whiteheads to make the skin appear more clear. Severe acne. In this category, you have the acne which I have described along with large cystic acne. Sometimes you have a moderate acne but associated with depressed scars or pigmentation. You have a jawline acne. There may be facial hair associated with it. When you have acne like this, then the treatment of choice is a medication called isotretinoin. Isotretinoin is a medication which has to be prescribed by dermatologists because it needs to be taken under their guidance with repeated blood tests being done. You also have to get evaluated for underlying hormonal issues, liver issues, cholesterol issues before you get started on isotretinoin. So strictly under dermatologist guidance, you are going to do this isotretinoin. If you are not a candidate for isotretinoin, the dermatologist may have to evaluate other medications which will help you, which will include hormonal treatments, which may include long-term antibiotics with or without the addition of chemical peels or carbon laser treatments to make the scars get better. This is for the treatment of acne, and unfortunately or fortunately, it takes a good 3 to 6 months if you have a severe acne for the acne to get under control. Remember, you have to do all this along with the lifestyle medication. If you are not doing the lifestyle changes and doing only the medications, this treatment is not going to work. It's a 50-50 partnership between your dermatologist and you.